What's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is "Abusive Boyfriend Acts Like He's Tough Until Police Arrive." Don't let me find out he act tough with the ladies but can't act tough with the fellas. Okay, let's get it.
Today on Uncovered. Watch police serve this man instant karma after he gets drunk and steals two of his ex's cars.
You said the officer. What officer?
I mean, not officer. I was on the phone dispatch.
Oh.
They said the avoid confrontation. They heard him on the phone, yelling in my face and everything. She said, "Get in your car." I would go unlock my car to get in my car. He jumped in my car, hit the car right there, and kept going. I don't even know where my car is. He's inside the house. I got
is it in both your names or anything? You married or anything?
Both of them is my cars.
I know, but like anything is it in his name too?
No.
Are you guys married?
No. This somebody I was dealing with. I don't want to be with now. No, he's inside the house. I don't want to be with now. All of a sudden,
Wait, he's inside the house right now?
He just came inside my house and asked me where's my car at. He said,
wait, hold on.
He took my car.
He took your car.
My car's a push start. I'm on the phone. This is my second time calling. I said, I really need somebody to come out here. I have a second car he was using. I can't get my second car. As I'm talking to dispatch, he jumps in my car.
The price?
Price of $300, took it. My mirror right here, he hit one of them things, went around the corner. He just came walking from this way.
He had a car or what?
He hit my mirror against the car. He right there, hit my mirror against the car.
I hit it. I'm not getting into nobody.
Stay right there.
God, lock me up.
Whose car is
Still
it?
ain't gonna get it. Hers.
Whose car is it?
Hers.
Okay.
Why you not
Hers.
give it back?
Because
Relax.
she wanna be on some bullshit. I'ma be on some bullshit with her, mommy. Straight lace. She wanna be on some bullshit.
Okay, stop.
I'ma be on some. No, I'm not in her face. I'm far. No, I'm far.
Okay. You don't
I'm
need to
far.
yell.
I'm not in her face. I'm
Listen,
far.
You don't need to yell either.
She wanna be on some bullshit,
Can
mommy.
you stop yelling in my face?
I'ma be on some bullshit.
Stop yelling in my face. That's what I'm gonna say.
Y'all can do whatever y'all want. She ain't gonna get the car.
Come here.
Go.
What is it? Was she a Hispanic? She must be a Hispanic officer or something, because he keeps saying mommy. You know what I'm saying? Like, damn.
Lock me up. I don't give a f. Still ain't gonna get the car.
Put your hands together. Put your hands together.
I am putting my hands together.
Stop yelling, dude.
Still ain't gonna get the car. Still ain't gonna get the car. Man.
Stop.
Oh, babe, mommy, arrest me. I've been a bad boy. I've been a bad boy. Arrest me. No, don't take him. Take me, please, man. Boy, where's this at? Trenton? Oh, okay. That's New Jersey. Okay. That makes sense.
Come here.
Go ahead, lock me up. I don't give a f. Still ain't gonna get the car.
Put your hands together. Put your hands together.
I am putting my hands together.
Stop yelling, dude.
Still ain't gonna get the car. Still ain't
I'm
gonna get the
going
car.
peacefully, baby.
Man,
Stop.
I'm going
Stop
to
moving
the
around.
I'm going to the wagon.
Stop. You're not going anywhere.
Man, I'm going to the wagon.
Stop.
That shit ain't gonna work for me.
Stop.
That shit ain't gonna work for me.
Stop. You're gonna get hurt.
I told you.
Stop.
You made this shit
Stop.
way.
I'm
I
stopping.
told you.
Stop.
I told you. Yeah, I'm going to the wagon. That shit ain't gonna work for me.
Yo, cousin.
Hey, yo, this shit ain't gonna work for me. Yo, this shit ain't gonna work for me. This shit ain't gonna work for me. Don't get right back the f*** up.
Stop.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Why would you push me down?
Stop.
I can't. I am up. Why would you push me down, though? I got a job to do. Why the f*** would you push me down?
Stop. Stop fighting. Stop
You
fighting.
got it. You got it.
Stop fighting. All right? I got a job to do.
You got it.
All right? I have to go over you, and I'm trying to double lock the cuffs.
Yo, Trent get down crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, there's a video on the members only, and no, I'm not trying to shout out the members only and that, but there's a video that I did of an incident that happened in Trenton, and the officer cold cocks a dude. Boom, cracked him. I was like, yo, oh yeah. Yeah, Jersey, yeah, they get down crazy, bro. Did you see? He just threw this guy and he's in cuffs. Oh boy. Listen. When they cuffed, bro, it's over. You know what I'm saying? Because it's kind of a coward move in a way, because they can't even defend themselves. You know what I'm saying? At least that's how we always thought about it inside of the prison. You know what I'm saying? Inside of like, all right, once he's cuffed, that's it. You know what I mean? Like, it is what it is. But before that, you know, you might take a long time to get him cuffed. You know what I'm saying? Might have to, yeah. But once he's cuffed is really like he can't defend himself. So it's like you just abusing him type stuff. That him tossing him and he's cuffed, bro. You're wild. Like that's so crazy to me. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's insane.
I told you.
But baby right here could definitely arrest me. I've been a bad boy. Woo.
Shit ain't gonna work for me.
Stop. Stop. You're gonna get hurt.
I told you.
Stop.
You made this way.
I'm
I
stopping.
told you.
Stop.
I told you. Yeah, I'm going to the party. That shit gonna work for me.
Yo, cousin.
Hey, yo, this shit gonna work for me. Hey, yo, this shit gonna work for me. This shit gonna work for me. Don't get right back.
Stop.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Why would you push me down?
Stop.
I can't. I am up. Why would you push me down, though? I got a job to do. Why the fuck would I push you down?
Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
She hit him with that
Stop
mace
fighting.
real quick.
All right, I got a job to do.
You got it.
All right, I have to go over you, and I'm trying to double lock the
Hold
cuffs.
that for what?
You got it.
I'm trying to double lock them so they don't hurt you.
You got
You're
it.
acting stupid. You gotta calm down, bro.
Hold that for what? You know where's
No, he didn't. No, true.
Do you know where the car is?
Yo, no, I don't know.
How about the keys to the car? Step to your right. Step to your right so I can open the door.
Make it easier for yourself.
Stop doing this, dude.
Man, y'all just mace me. Yeah, you talking about, bro? Y'all ain't have to mace me, man. Y'all didn't have to. No, she did. No, she did. I ain't do nothing really for her to mace me, man. She had to mace me, man. She had to mace me.
What were you doing? You were trying to.
I ain't do nothing. I told y'all what I was doing. What you talking about?
You need some water? You need some water, bro?
Man, it's too late for that. Can I come back out?
Yeah, I don't necessarily agree with the mace. Like he can't defend himself. Like that's just bro. The officers we look at, like when I was in the jail, bro, like, and somebody got into a use of force or whatever, and you beating on him after he's already cuffed, it's like the inmates look at you crazy, and most of the other officers look at you crazy, bro. Like, bro, you beating on an inmate he cuffed, bro. He can't even defend it. Like, that's some coward shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's weak. That's weak. You know, for them to throw him and for her to spray him, bruh, he's cuffed. You guys can't handle him when he's cuffed? Really?
No. Just get some air.
No.
Just stand outside to get some air, bro.
The AC rolling.
God, it's not on.
Yes, it is.
It's not on.
Okay, close the door.
You're gonna close the door? I'm telling you, I can't breathe.
I hear what you're saying. We'll take you to the hospital. You go to the hospital, go to the hospital.
That's cool.
Despite being arrested, the suspect refuses to share the location of his ex's vehicle, which he stole. The female deputy heads over to inform the caller.
So he's refusing to tell me where the keys are at.
He said he's not gonna tell y'all. I got it all on video. He said he's not gonna tell y'all where my stuff is at. Even my Chrysler 300. I was coming to get my titles, everything in my car. I was coming to get my 2016 Ford Fusion. That's what I was coming to get, like the keys.
Okay.
He's very drunk. I'm just asking him, can I just have my keys? You're not getting nothing. He slammed me on the couch. All right.
Are you injured in any way? Do you need medical attention?
No,
Do you need the
the
ambulance
cousin
attention?
broke it up. So all of a sudden, I called the cops. I'm like, he kept coming outside, jumping in my face. The lady like, ma'am, just get in your car. I went to go unlock the car because it's push start. He pulls off with my car. Tapped the car right there with the mirror. My mirror comes
Which
off.
car? The Jeep?
The silver, the gold, the blue car. He taps
The
it.
Acura?
Yes.
All right, I gotta go. Where is it?
My mirror comes off, and now all of a sudden he come walking through this way. I'm like, well, where's my car? He said, the cops ain't gonna make you give me the car. I'm not gonna give it to him.
Is the car registered to you?
Both cars, yes.
Do you have the car information?
Chrysler 300.
Like the license plate and all that? Do you want to report your car stolen? Yes or no?
If he tell me where my car is at, it might have to be reported stolen because I don't know if he crashed my car. He told me he crashed it. I don't know where's my car. Like, he not gonna tell y'all. Oh.
Do you have ID on you?
All right, I'll call you back. Everything's in my car.
Hey, yo, Trey, let me get
His stuff, you want the stuff to him?
I can't breathe.
I'm asking you a question. Do you want his
I
stuff?
can't breathe. No,
I got
I'm
mace
telling you,
too,
I can't
okay?
breathe.
Okay.
I can't
I'm gonna bring you to the hospital.
Drills, he about to give you
Listen,
your stuff.
listen.
Wait, I promise.
I'm bringing you
I will
outside.
come
I'm
back.
gonna bring you to the hospital, okay?
I
Do
can't
you
breathe
listen?
right now.
Listen. Yes or no? Your property. Do you want from him? Do you want him to have the property? Okay. Here.
I got you, cause the call or whatever you got.
Do you have ID in this? Do you have ID in this?
Officer, you do me a
He didn't have to escalate it to this point.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was already outside, just standing here. He kept coming outside, jumping in my face, like really going crazy. I'm like, bro, I just don't want to be with you no more. You don't have to. It don't even have to go that far. Look, jumping in my face. Look, jumping in my face, acting like this. He's drunk. Kept running up to me. Look. Look.
This was today, obviously.
Yes, today. This is when I was trying to get my car. Look. And this is the last time before he took the car. He went to go get his soda and this. Look, he gonna put down my car. And this was today, 6:18. He pulled off with the car, my 300.
Listen, do you have ID in your wallet? Just look. What?
Can you take all my clothes off me and put me in handcuffs? I can't breathe. I can't breathe with these clothes on me.
You can breathe. You're talking. Any water? All right. You head out.
I can't breathe, officer. I need to come outside.
You can breathe.
I can't breathe in this car. Not in this car. I'm telling you, in this car, I can't breathe.
Use your mouth.
Yeah. That mace guy. Yo, you see when she sprayed him with the mace, it was like an instant switch. It was instant. He got right real quick, boy. All that rah-rah, he got right real quick, boy. That mace is no joke. No joke. Like, oh boy. That mace is serious. I ain't gonna lie. That was one of the worst. I don't know if it was that or the gas house, which was worse. That was crazy. You know what I'm saying? Being in that gas house is just they throw the grenade in there, boom, and it just the smoke, they gas you out because you know we went through that training, those trainings and stuff. So, but that mace is definitely no joke, boy. No joke.
I'm gonna put some water in.
And also, it sucks having to use it on somebody too, because you get some of that, like regardless. When you spray it, the mist is gonna go. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna get some of the contact, and nobody really wants to go through that, honestly.
Thank you,
Close
officer.
your eyes. Close your eyes.
Thank you, officer. Thank you, officer.
He just escalated everything. Didn't have to be that way.
You need a big man?
Yeah. Please.
Oh, Lord, we gotta rewind it. We gotta rewind it.
We gotta take you to the hospital.
I just
We
want to stand
gotta
up.
rewind it. Hold up.
Thank you, officer.
He just escalated
Damn,
everything. Didn't have
nails
to be
is
that way.
done. French
a big
tips.
one.
Yeah. Please.
I just want to stand up.
Come on, we gotta take you to the hospital.
I just want to stand up a little bit. Right here. I just want to stand right here.
Oh, you
He
feel like
going
you sweat
through
a lot
it,
in there,
boy.
bro?
Right, I can't breathe.
I got you, man. Chill out.
Are you guys
Close your
going
eyes.
to break
Close your
off of old rules and then a 301 non-possession for 500 Hanover?
That water feel like everything right now. I know.
936, whatever the details.
Thank you, officer.
Open your mouth. Open you get some water. Open your mouth.
Calling facing black male that
You don't want water?
is short and a black t-shirt should be walking with a female to
Thank you.
the street. Just pulled the gun on her and her husband. He threatened to shoot him. The caller managed to get the gun from him.
936.
The suspect was transported to the hospital to be evaluated and was subsequently booked on burglary, resisting arrest, and disorderly intoxication. Upon sobering up, he began to cooperate and told officers where they could find his ex's vehicles, which he had stolen. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.